In Psalm 80, in our cafe chat, I'd like to bring your attention to this. Multiple times the psalmist says, "Restore us, God. Make your face shine upon us, because you are the one who saves us." I want you to grasp with me that the reason that it's in there multiple times is because God wants to etch this in the hearts of his children, that he does restore us, that his face does shine on us, that he does save us, because you matter to him. You matter to the maker of heaven and earth, and don't you ever forget it. And just so that you don't, he puts it in Psalm 80 for you multiple times. I hope as you read it, this will encourage you and that you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you soon.